So we're here at one of our mangrove restoration nurseries in Grand Bahama. We're just loading up these plants for an upcoming planting. These plants are 8 months old and they have now reached an appropriate size to be outplanted.
So BTT's mangrove restoration project has been going on since 2020, and this is in response to the devastation Hurricane Dorian made in Grand Bahama and Abaco. So between the two islands, over 40,000 acres of mangroves were lost. So this project, the purpose of it is to help kickstart recovery.
BTT offers an outreach and education program throughout the Bahamas, and one of the things that we talk about is the importance of the flats industry. Having actual students out on the flats is a great way to pair that knowledge and bring the classroom out into the field.
So today we have 3 student groups. We have Waterkeepers Bahamas with their students out here. We have Hayward High School out here today, and Bishop Michael Eldon School, who has been a part of this project since the beginning.
I've learned that mangroves are important because they provide habitat for local fish and industry for local fishermen. So far, I think I've planted about 20 mangroves, but I hope that by the end of the day, we'll be able to plant about 100.
Well, every year, Ms. Portillo, our science teacher, she does a very good job in encouraging the kids to come out and take part in this initiative, the 10, 11, and 12th grade students. So the ones that are coming up look forward to it. Even from the media, the pictures, we share those in assembly, and it looks like a very good time.
This planting is important to me because I reside on Grand Bahama Island, and the mangroves would help as a natural barrier against natural disasters such as hurricanes like Dorian. And it's important to me because I aspire to be a marine biologist and an environmental scientist.
You know, learning in the classroom is very abstract, but coming out here, it actually gives them hands-on experience on why the mangrove is important, especially a coastal community like Pelican Bay and Pelican Point and McLeanstown. And so coming out here and being able to make the connection with what they learn in classroom is vital.
Normally we have activities in New Providence, such as beach cleanup, tree replanting, but this was the first time we've taken the opportunity to come to Grand Bahama and participate in an event like this.
It surely is very empowering to be a part of such a big project. I feel as though in the future we'll be able to tell our kids about it, how we help to restore the mangroves on Grand Bahama and in the Bahamas.
I know that Bonefish Top and Trust should be honored and proud of what they have been able to do over those years. They are very close to their goal of 100,000 mangroves. Perry Institute for Marine Sciences and Waterkeepers Bahamas, as partners of the BMA, applaud them for their efforts for bringing community together. And on this Earth Day, we are very delightful that we have been able to make such a major impact.
Happy Earth Day!